Hello everyone, today we're going to be using Hess's Law to find the enthalpy change of this formation of methane. Alright, so in this formation we have carbon plus 2 hydrogen gas molecules forms 1 molecule of methane. We want to find how much energy or the enthalpy change for this formation is. But we can't just find it for different reasons. Maybe it takes too long in the lab. But we do have these equations. I ran out of space, so this is the energy and the equations. So the way usually I do it is I look for the similarities. So let's start. I usually start backwards. So this is methane. Which one of these has methane? It's this one. Now the problem is it's on the opposite side of this reaction. So you would flip it. And the way you would flip it is, so I'm going to write flip. It's the same coefficient, so we can keep it like that. And flip is just going and changing our sign. So it's now going to be 890.3. I'm not going to write the units because I'm lazy. That's not a 3. Anyway. Alright, so what about number 2? What are our relations? So we have hydrogen gas and O2 gas. There's no water molecules. There is no O2. So it has to be this hydrogen gas. Now we have 2, so we want to multiply this by 2. So 2x. So we're going to multiply negative 285.8. Multiply that by 2. Negative 571.6. Alright, this first one, it has to be the carbon, which is the same ratio. So we say the same. So it's a negative 393.5. Now we all add this all up, and we get, I believe, negative 74.8 kilojoules per mole of reaction. Alright, it's that simple. This is, of course, a shortcut. So let's see the longer way. So the longer way is really just writing down what I just said. And what I mean by that is, so let's write down this equation. So C plus O2 yields CO2. Alright, and what did we do to this? We multiplied this by 2. So our reactions are 2H2 plus another O2, so we're going to have 2 of these. Alright, and plus H2O. Alright, with this we flip it, so it's, I ran out of space again, sorry about this, CO2 plus 2H2O. Alright, since this is flipped, O2 plus CH4. So we cross off our similarities. So O2, CO2, CO2. So let's rewrite this now. 2H2 plus C yields. I made a mistake. Yes, this should be 2 as well. I forgot the O2 from here. Very sorry about that. So these cross off, and you yield CH4, which is the same equation as this, meaning this is valid. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry about that. Thank you, Tom's Lab, for shouting me out, for supporting him on Patreon. If you want really good, high-quality chemistry videos, I would definitely go check out Tom's Lab. His link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.